Hello and welcome to my channel, Vicky's Crafts. I have a small haul from my monthly kit from Heidi Swapp and also from Temu. You have seen me haul these plastic containers from Temu. So here I put my sequences, and so I have more sequins in my drawer and I wanted to put them neatly put like this. So I did buy more. This one, I have all of my craft liar sequences in that I bought recently. So I put that in here. So I did pick up 10 more of these containers from Temu. So that I could organize my sequence drawer. I'll show you that when I'm going to do a review of my craft room, because I did make some changes, and stay tuned for that. I know I have been saying that I'm going to show you a video of my craft room, but I'm still organizing, making sure that everything is how I want it to be, because you never get 100% of your craft room. You always see where you could organize, so it's never 100%. So for my monthly kit from Heidi Swapp, I did buy the die that she had with, you put pictures inside and you roll it. So, and then here you put a brad so that it could turn the wheel. So I did buy that so that I could have it in my stash, and that was separate. That you could add to your cart and it'll be the same shipping. So I took advantage of that. Then for the monthly stamp is this one right here. Let me open it for you so that it won't be so much glare on it, hopefully. So this one I like because it has the cacti, the travel bus, and different travel themes. So adventure, and so the adventure begins, awaits, and you have a boat, you have canoe, you have a bicycle. So it has a lot of things, and you even have the bridge from San Francisco, which I did take pictures on that bridge. So that's kind of cool. I like it a lot. So that's the stamp. And now for the little kit, tell your story. She always gives you this little bag with it. If I could open it. Oh, it's not opening. Why is it opening? Only when I'm videotaping. Oh, wow. This is my first time opening this thing, so hopefully, wow, I must have gotten smashed because the box that it came in, it was open, and I was afraid that I might have lost. I can't open this for the life of me. I'm so sorry. Wow. Yeah, I can't. I'm gonna have to tell my husband. So she always puts a washi tape and these cards and these envelopes, and there's a stamp in there with words. Proud of myself for the best part of the day. So, and then the outfits, and then these stickers here, and then the bag. I'm gonna have to tell my husband to open that because it just came and I said let me add it to my Temu haul, and it is smashed in there greatly. I think it even broke here. Yeah, it's all bended, so I can't open it. So that is it for my Temu haul and for my Heidi Swapp monthly kit. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you are not a subscriber of mine, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you have any comments, please leave it down below. I do get to you quickly. And stay tuned for my craft room reveal. And have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.